Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your shellac or gel nails at home. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you will need some aluminium foil cut into rectangles, cotton cut into your nail size, nail paint remover or acetone, a cuticle cutter or a manicure stick, a cuticle oil, and a nail filer. Now you have to ensure the nail paint remover or acetone is 100% acetone, otherwise this will not work. So I start with buffing only the top layer with a nail filer, and I do it till I lightly remove the shine, just like you can compare it between both the nails. It just removes the shine and makes it a little matte. Then I take a foil, place cotton over it and soak it with acetone till it gets completely wet. After that, I take the cotton, place it over my nail and press it a little so that it does not fall, and cover it with foil. Make sure the foil is wrapped securely and is not loose. It may take some time, but it will happen. So another way you can do it is by placing your finger on the cotton and covering your finger and then securing it firmly. Once I'm done foiling all the nails, I'm going to keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes for the gel to leave its place. Now it's time to start opening the foil, and it's important to do it gently as you may need to recover your nails just for a couple of minutes more if you don't see the flakes. I'm now taking the cuticle pusher and scraping off the flakes. After I do that, I'm reusing the cotton pad to completely clean the nail, and I'm finishing it off with the cuticle oil. You can also use olive oil if you don't own a cuticle oil. So that's how I remove my shellac at home. I hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week and I'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching.